Hey guys, my name is Evelyn.
And my name is Alice.
And today we're gonna make French toast. So here are the ingredients. First ingredient is milk. And over here is vanilla. And over here is ground cinnamon, bread, and some butter. Let's get started. So now we're gonna crack the eggs. Allison, go first. There's a shell. Okay, my turn.
Put that away. Grab that thingy.
That's not anything, Allison.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to go there.
So now it's my turn. So I will crack the eggs. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. Now I'm gonna crack the other egg. Here, I need some throw them out.
Okay.
Now let's get to a mixing. Okay, so now we have this.
Now we're going to put the eggs in the big bowl.
Now I'm gonna put the ingredients. So we're gonna put 1 spoon of vanilla. Okay, so let's open vanilla. Let's pour it. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to like add it like this. That's enough. Now we're gonna use some cinnamon. Okay. I think that's enough. And now we're gonna put some milk. That's enough.
Looks yummy.
Well, I think it's more. That's enough. I think a little more. Okay, that's it. So now we're gonna stir.
Smells so good.
I'm stirring. Look at those bubbles.
A lot of bubbles.
Yeah. So now we're gonna put everything away. So we're gonna first close the vanilla and we're gonna put it in the fridge.
And then we're gonna close the milk.
We're gonna close the milk and let's put everything back in.
I'm gonna put this
back over here. Okay, now we're gonna put the butter on the pan.
It's like ice cream.
Now it's time to dip the bread inside the bowl. Okay, so we're gonna dip it like this. Ooh. Okay, now we're gonna put it on the pan. Look how it's fizzling.
Now it's my turn.
We're putting it down.
Now we're going to flip it and put it the other side. And now it's time to put it on the pan.
Okay, now it's for the third one. So we're gonna dip it inside. Okay, here you go.
Now it's my turn to do the first one. Put it inside. There we go.
Okay, we're still dipping. This is the 5th one.
Oh, this one is the 6th one.
Now this is the 7th one.
And this one's the 8th one.
Now look at this. It looks so yummy.
And so yummy to eat too.
Now I'm gonna put whipped cream on my French toast. So first, oh, that's way to eat too much. Done. Bye. So this is how our French toast came out. And we added some whipped cream, a maple syrup, and ice cream. Now let's take a bite. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Bye.